In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade swords in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Upgrading your equipment in Blox Fruits can give you a big advantage. So it's very important to always see which upgrades are available for you, and you will be able to upgrade swords, guns, and other equipment. So to do this, you will have to talk to a very specific NPC. This NPC is the blacksmith. So upgrading is a feature that will allow you to upgrade your swords and guns in order to enhance the weapon's damage. You will be able to perform them if you bring the required materials to the blacksmith. I'm going to go over a list of materials that will be used for many swords, and you will be able to see how you can acquire them. The blacksmith allows you to upgrade all of your equipment, and he can be found in the First Sea, Second Sea, and Third Sea, respectively at the Pirate Village, the Kingdom of Rose, and Port Town. So when you find him and you talk to him, you will be able to see all of the swords that can be upgraded and all of the materials needed. So as you can see for this one, for example, you will need 5 leather and then 5 of another material, and then you can upgrade. This is going to be an extensive list. I cannot show you every single sword or gun that can be upgraded. However, this on the right side of the screen is all of the materials that you need to upgrade everything in the game. So if for whatever reason you have a goal of upgrading literally every single gun and sword in the game, you just have to acquire all of these materials that I've highlighted here. If you acquire all of these, you will be able to upgrade every single equipment that you can acquire. You will be able to upgrade common equipment, uncommon, legendary, rare, and so on. You just have to go over to a blacksmith. It doesn't matter which one, on the First Sea, Second Sea, or Third Sea, and by interacting with him and bringing him the necessary materials for a specific weapon, you will be able to get it upgraded. You will see the bonus, and most of the time it is always going to be more damage. I hope I was able to help you on how to upgrade swords in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.